Land Rover L322, checking engine oil through the instrument cluster. Before beginning, be sure the vehicle is parked on level ground. Start vehicle and allow to idle until engine reaches operating temperature. Let the vehicle sit for about 10 minutes after the engine has been turned off. Switch ignition on, but do not start the engine. Using the arrow pad on the steering wheel, press the down arrow to bring up the information menu. Press the down arrow to navigate to the service menu. Press the right arrow to enter the service menu. Press the down arrow to navigate to oil level display. Press OK. Engine oil level will be displayed. If oil level is within the required operating range, the message Level OK will be displayed. If the oil level is below the required operating range, a message advising you of how much oil to add will be displayed. For example, to add 1 quart. Add the recommended quantity of oil, then recheck the oil level.